Okay, so hi guys, I'm going to be showing you all of my slimes. And most of them are big, but I just mixed this one too. And I put some butter slime in it, and it was butter and jiggly. And it actually spreads like butter, and it's jiggly. It's really weird, so I'll show you this one last because it's actually really cool. Sorry, my brother's in the back. Okay, so I'll be showing you my red velvet slime, and they also have names and different kind of textures and different kind of colors.
Hi.
He's annoying. And then, so here's my, it is supposed to be a butter slime. It actually smells like butter. No, not butter. Red velvet cake. I don't know why I call it icing, but like it spreads like icing because you know how icing spreads very easily. So it is butter and fluffy. Have really good butter. And so yeah. So this is red velvet slime. I know I stink at singing. Okay, so here is a stress ball slime. I'll be showing you this one at the end because it's not. Because if I don't get it through the other ones, they won't be good. But that one you don't really have to see because it's for my hand, like that I broke. This is a special edition, but I was supposed to show you at the end. But now I'm showing you the pink butter jiggly. Don't know what to call it. So this was just made with shaving cream, and hence why it's not stretchy. I'm going to be doing another video after of my slimes and what I can do better with them. And I'm guessing a lot of them will have to do with does it make the noise? Sometimes. Wait, hold on a second. My brother. Charlie, you can't do this, buddy. Mommy's gonna yell at me. Please shut the lids to all of them. Go like this to all of them. Okay, and put it back for me. Thank you. Okay, so that was that one.
Sorry, Daddy. Sorry.
Fine, bud. Just don't do it again. So here's a slime that really
But
sucks.
I want to do that.
Okay.
I want to do that.
Okay, so here's a slime that really sucks. I only took a little bit of it out. It's not stretchy, doesn't poke. So I won't be showing you that because it really stinks and I'm not going to be getting humiliated. Okay, so here's a gray slime that my friend gave me that is terrible. See? I don't know why she gave it to me. She thinks that her slimes are better than mine. Like, come on, sister. So here's the slime. It's not good. And then she also gave me a pink one, and she said they were both iceberg butter slimes. It's like the other one, like that's not how slime works. Okay, so now I'll be showing you my mermaid slime.
Ooh, cool.
Whoops. This is gonna have to get wet because this slime my friend put warm. No.
I want to film it.
Because like they're supposed. Okay, so you know how like if you fix hot water and to make slime to make it like stretchy and like stuff like that instead of pushing lotion in, you put it in hot water, and my friend put it in cold water, which doesn't makes it less stretchy.
Hello.
So boo friend. Sorry, I was shaking.
Baba, keep filming. I want to do this.
Okay, so here is a slime that was supposed to be butter slime. All my slimes are mostly
9, 10, 11, 8. 5 more.
Troy, put them away now. Sorry. So it's not really. Some of my slimes aren't really that good. Okay. Happy? I said it. Be careful.
What?
So there's a couple more. So here is a butter slime. I'll be showing you my 2 butter slimes. Sorry, my brother. I left this slime out by accident. And it's not really stretchy. Make sure you get all of them. Because if I sleep and there's paint on my face, somebody's going to get it. And it's not going to be the dog. Oh, if you don't know, that's my doggy. That's my dog. That's my doggy.
This Gabby says so. This Gabby says so.
Oh, okay, Charlie, you're okay. That's why I told you not to fool around on my bed. But yes, that's my bed if you don't know. And there's a donut, and that's a picture of me. I'll be doing a room tour also today. Even though my room is kind of messy. Even though there's a journey when you stumble and fall. Okay, so this is butter slime. Spreads like butter. You don't know, I'm really weird. 4, 3, kind of 4, kind of 3, I don't know. I don't have that many slimes, so let me tell you the story. Okay, so my brother ruined them all because he hid them from me in the basement. And it's not cool. This is Fluffy. Oh, I forgot to tell you the names. I'll do it at the end. Okay, that's gonna have to get fixed. Okay, so next one is the pink. I'm gonna go on. I'm not going to be showing you the white one because I might run out of time with the names. Okay, so here's the pink Jiggly. Tell you the name at the end. Sorry, kind of short with that one. Here is a huge white Fluffy. Tell you the name at the end. Okay, so I told you the names for some of them, but not all of them. So here is Mermaid Slime. This my annoying brother. Oh, I don't know what that is, Charlie. Okay, so here's Mermaid Slime.
Hi
There's
guys.
5 different glitter. Dark blue, light blue, silver, black, and green.
Gabby will.
Okay, so there.
Gabby loves you.
I know she does because she's my baby girl.
Hey, me. Hey, Mom.
Okay, so here is that is Mermaid Slime. So here is here is Sparkly Grape. Or yeah, Sparkly Grape. Or on lid. I have lids for every single one. Okay. So now what? Put them back. Here is the Jiggly butter slime, and its name is Strawberry Shortcake.
A day, I saw a model in my sign.
Okay, so here is red velvet icing. And speaking of icing, I just spread red icing on a red velvet cake today. So, yeah.
Today, I saw all my pink. Wait.
My brother's trying to make his YouTube channel. And if you do not know what that is,
I saw
it
my
is.
bike too.
Okay, so here, this one is called Pink Bubble Birthday Gum. Pink Bubble Birthday Gum.
Inside. No.
Oh, wait, it's on me. Okay. Pink Bubble Birthday Gum. What happened? What happened?
I'm so funny.
God, I thought he did something.
You see pink, and then you can't see pink. No,
Get that now.
I can't.
Sorry. Okay, so this is gold. This is gray. Old grandpa, I call it, because it's gray. Yeah. I'm so mean.
I can't. Sorry.
This will be last to put on. This is, I don't know, because it's not getting a name.
They're putting gases. Whoa, woman.
Okay, give me him. I'm going to do something. Watch. So you see me like this? Now you see me as a savage. Okay, so enough wasting my time. Okay, so here is the butter slime. And this is called winter green gum because it's green. Okay, so now here is banana shake because it's banana with the flavor at Denny's or any ice cream shop. So that was that slime. Name. This is sorry. So this is green grass because I don't want a name for it.
Well, I have a sip.
Hold on, my slime just fell. And I have carpet.
Let me see. It fell. Today I show all my pink.
That's what he's doing, showing paint and how to put it into slime. Very interesting, right, guys? Yeah. Cool. Okay, Charlie. So this is mint. This is.
I show all my pink.
Good go.
That
We sure paint. So this is Shamrock Shake, and this is actually a fluffy slime. It's kind of not snicky. I have a huge bag for it because it's No, don't open that. Let's go in the dark paint. Sorry about the creaky noise. I told you most of them. Here's ombre purple.
John Cena.
Ombre purple. Oh my god.
John Cena.
You are?
Yep.
Whoa, I didn't know that. I thought John Cena was the real billionaire. Yo, why don't you go on? Here. Watch, it'll fall straight. Ah, it's on my clothes. That's not funny, Charlie. Okay, got it off. Okay, so here is a fluffy slime, and it is called Mellow Mushroom. Mellow Mushroom. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next 2 videos that are today's videos, if you didn't know. So I'll be telling them what I can do to help my slimes and a room tour. Okay? So, bye guys, please. Please like and subscribe. And I like to say smash the thumbs up, but I'm a girl. So I would say pretty the thumbs up. Okay, bye guys.